Hello everyone, my name is Lamia and today I'm going to share with you this cool mashed potatoes pie recipe. Here I'm sauteing vegetables and onion, and then I'm going to cook my chicken separately. Alright, as you see here, I'm trying to prepare my old pan. But if you have one of these new non-stick pan, that would be great for you. But for me here, I'm just trying to work with my resources. And I'm gonna put the first layer of the potato mix. Now I'm adding the chicken and the vegetable as the middle layer. Covered again with potato. I will keep just add more oil or spray, palm spray, because I don't want the pie to stick at the bottom, and also I want it to be very crispy from outside. And don't worry about the black stuff, this is all in the paper. You see, I'm taking it out now. All right, my pie is ready and it smells so good and also it tastes so good. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please show me that you like it, and also subscribe to my channel to see all my future videos. My name is Lamia, by the way. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Thank you.